Welcome back. Let's head to the courts, shall we? World-rated Sunshine Girls defender Shamira Sterling-Humphrey is calling on the government and corporate Jamaica to step up their support of the nation's senior netball team ahead of their upcoming series against the world number 4 ranked England Roses. Jordan Fort reports.
Fresh off helping to lead her Adelaide Thunderbirds team to a second successive Suncorp Super Netball League title, Shamira Sterling-Humphrey is now shifting her focus to making Jamaica the best in the world. The towering defender is back home preparing for a 4-match series against England Roses, with the first 2 matches being played in England and the next 2 in Jamaica. But in looking ahead to the series, Sterling-Humphrey is demanding the girls get the respect she thinks they deserve. As such, she's urging the government to
come on board for us and support the Sunshine Girls as the most successful female sport in Jamaica. It's netball and we are ranked 4th. I think a lot of persons are overlooking that. We want them to actually acknowledge it and see how well the Sunshine Girls are doing. Mr. the Most Honorable Andrew Olness, I hope you're watching this interview. We would like some support from your government for netball. Please and thank you, and we hope to see you in the stands for the Horizon Series.
When the Sunshine Girls play the home leg of the series against the Roses starting on November 25, it will be their first appearance on home soil in 2 years.
I won't be cocky or anything. As I said, it's going to be a tough challenge and may the best team win. And of course, it's good to have international netball back on home ground, so we're looking forward to seeing our Jamaicans in the stands with their pot covers cheering on the Sunshine Girls.
Fellow defender Jodianne Ward is on the same page.
We haven't had a home series in a while, so I think this is a great opportunity for us to really show the home crowd what we're made of, show the home crowd how well we can represent our country. And just make them proud.
In the meantime, 12 players will head off to England for the away leg of the series, and Netball Jamaica has made it a point of duty to incorporate youth and experience into the squad.
We have Shamira, we have Jodianne, we have Latanya, we have Rhea Dixon and Shanice Beckford. So we definitely have a few seniors which will bring a good depth in the team to be working with the younger ones. So it's just to see how well they will blend together as a team and give a good account of themselves.
With a number of the more experienced players being based overseas, Coach Sasha Gay Henry says it's still a work in progress to fine-tune team chemistry in the weeks leading into the series.
We have not yet have all our senior players here. Some did come in today, so we still have some more work to do in relation to that. So we're looking forward to the series. Series is going to be very tough. It's a do or die. It's a team who really plays the strongest, a team who is more disciplined, a team who will capitalize well against the other. So a number 3 against a number 4, what more could we ask for to start with?
The Jamaicans will play 2 matches against England on November 16 and 17 at the AO Arena in Manchester, before the English travel to Jamaica for 2 matches at the National Indoor Sports Centre on November 25 and 26. A 15-player squad has been named for the home leg of the series. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.